Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
This is my OOTD for the day, and this is the picture that we took last night. Do you want to say hi? ये इसने पूरा मेरा बैग पकड़ा हुआ है बिकॉज उसको फील्स चाहिए
जैसे रिश्तेदारों को छोड़ने आते नहीं मामी जी छोड़ दो मैं पकड़ती हूँ
एग्जैक्टली सो या
चलो
पैकेट भी दे दीजिए है ना, ये तो वापस करा देना।
हाँ ये रिटर्न वाला है। एक्सचेंज करा रही है साइज या रिटर्न करा रही है? रिटर्न करा लो अगर कुछ
साइज तो नहीं
कुछ और दिखेगा तो वो ले।
आई एम थिंकिंग लक्ष्य के लिए कुछ ले लेती हूँ।
हाँ
है ना। Zara vlog will come up soon on my channel.
Oh yes.
Bye my friend.
I love your vlogs. I love your hauls. ये पे
दूर से।
Bye.
Bye my friend.
Bye.
Okay, my mask is like this cause चलान हो जाएगा. So I thought of starting the vlog over here. मैं अभी वैष्णवी के घर से निकली हूँ. It was her birthday yesterday. If you haven't seen that vlog, I will link it over here. Okay, जाओ देखो वो.
Keep right onto NH7.
आज उसका नेक्स्ट डे है. I am actually headed to चंडीगढ़. मैंने actually कल ज़ारा से शॉपिंग की थी. You will see that in that vlog. तो मैंने वो शॉपिंग की थी and I actually tried a lot of things. काफ़ी चीज़ें अच्छी हैं but दो चीज़ें I want to return or exchange. I'll see. तो we are heading to Elante सबसे पहले. Elante Mall here in Chandigarh. वो जाके I will pop into Zara, see stuff and probably I will get it exchanged and stuff and then I will hold on. Let me just cross. And then उसके बाद I'm meeting my दूसरी friend Drishti. If you follow me, you might know her. तो मैं दृष्टि को मिलूंगी. We're just meeting for like a quick coffee. And उसके बाद I am heading to शिमला. वापस शिमला जा रहे हैं. शिमला में काफ़ी ठंड है. यहाँ पे तो मुझे ठंड लगी नहीं रही है. मुझे इतनी गर्मी लग रही थी. मुझे ठंड बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रही. Literally I'm in a jumper today. So yeah, that is my plan for today. So I'll take you along. I really hope that you all enjoy the vlog. बहुत ही simple, casual day in my life होने वाला है. So yeah, let's go.
Once upon a time, every Sunday night, I fill my head with pages engraved with a love like fate. Thought I got the lesson, waiting on somebody to save me. Wishing on shooting stars, always waiting for a kiss to awake me. Ooh, but I'm done waiting, tired of the fairy tales. Why can't I be lonely? Done with feeling like I failed. Why can't I be lonely? La 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 la, lonely. La 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 la, lonely. Tired of the fairy tales. Why can't I be lonely? Lonely ever after. Read between the lines, started to take what's mine. Instead of hesitating, felt like a brand new ride, no longer passenger side. Guess I was suffocating, waiting on somebody to save me. Wishing on shooting stars, always waiting for a kiss to awake me. Ooh, ooh, yeah, I'm done waiting, tired of the fairy tales. Why can't I be lonely? Done with feeling like I failed. expectations. Yeah, maybe it's enough to be my own salvation. No, I don't need somebody else. No, I don't need a magic spell.
Okay, you guys, I have made it back home. मैं शिमला वापस आ चुकी हूँ. It was like a really fun trip. I mean, एक दिन का ही था, 1.5 day का ही trip था. But I really had like a lovely time. आज meeting Drishti was amazing. I was looking at the footage and I was like, dude, I should have filmed more. Anyways, मैंने आके कुछ भी नहीं किया. I took a shower. I spent time with family and I just sorted all of this out. I would say यहाँ से आगे ये सारा is new in except this coat. But ये बीच का जितना भी you can see ये सारा is Zara loot and I literally went crazy. If you have been watching my videos, you would know कि how much I love Zara. Like Zara is just bae for me. So of course I went ham. And as you can see, मैंने थोड़े basics ज़रूर लिए हैं, but there are definitely statement pieces in this haul. Like look at this. Wait. Look at this. How stunning is this? I will do a Zara haul very soon. I think so 2 parts या 3 parts में Zara haul होने वाला है. So behold yourself, okay? Anyways, I thought कि इस vlog को थोड़ा सा interesting बनाते हैं, तो क्यों ना ये haul किया जाए. Bath and Body Works में सेल लगी थी and पिछले कल जब वैष्णवी का birthday था, I went to buy gifts for her. तो मैं तब वहाँ पे I popped into Bath and Body Works. वहाँ पे semi-annual sale चली थी, तो I was like, you know what, let me just buy a few things. I have not got a lot of things. सिर्फ 3 चीज़ें ली है, but I'm so tempted to buy their hand wash because I saw my friend Vaishnavi using it. तो मैं सोची उसको online मंगवा दूँ because it's really nice. It's like this foaming hand wash and it was like quite bougie. Okay, first is a candle. Okay, it's wrapped beautifully. Some ASMR for you all. I honestly love like a minimal packaging. I love how simple the packaging. It's very simple. This is me in a scent. I feel vanilla. Like I love vanilla. I think so if I have to describe myself as an ice cream, it would be vanilla. It's simple, boring, plain, classic, and that's just me. So it has just such a lovely fragrance. जो ये कैंडल है इसका नाम है Vanilla Bean. I really like Bath and Body Works की candles. ये काफ़ी डिस्काउंट पे था, so I was like, you know what, let me just pick it out. I think so 60% डिस्काउंट पे था ये. मैं actually स्टोर में सिर्फ कैंडल लेने गई थी and then I was just browsing around like you do, okay? And then I was sniffing stuff and then I was like, you know what, मैंने उनकी कभी mist try नहीं की है, so I was like, let me just pick out the mist. This is in the same variant. This fragrance is just so warm. It's very vanilla. I said I want to burn more candles. I want to smell nice all the time. Usually मैं घर पे होती हूँ तो घर पे I don't apply perfume. मतलब मुझे वो habit नहीं है कि मैं घर पे बैठे perfume लगा रही हूँ. Whenever I go out, I only apply perfume then, okay? But I was like, you know what? This year I'm just gonna make a conscious effort of just taking extra care of myself, treating myself every day for just like little things, and I feel this comes in handy. The last thing that I picked out is a sanitizer, very random. So this is the sanitizer that I got. इसका fragrance काफी अच्छा है, peachy सा है. So this is called Peach Bellini and this is like 29 ml का छोटा सा tub that I can just carry in my छोटू bags. And जब ये खत्म हो जाएगा I can just refill it with normal sanitizers. So got this and इसके साथ हमारा ये haul खत्म होता है. So yeah, I think so I'm gonna sleep now. I have done my skincare and clearly you can see I'm so tired and literally I'm just in my regular sweatshirt. So yeah, on that note I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all very much. Bye.